Stop scrolling!
Let's address the Yeti in the room. It's me. I'm the Yeti in the room. Name's Greg, and I'm a park ranger. And I love my job almost as much as I love my MrCool DIY AC unit. For me, it's like my MrCool DIY AC unit, my job as a park ranger, and every telenovela ever made. Porque Maria? I love a guy who can cry on cue. I used to live here and be responsible for watching over all the Himalayas. But the great state of Arizona was in need of a good park ranger, so I was transferred here to the desert. I did not adapt well.
It's so hot!
I even tried a window unit from craptasticac.com. I tell you, if it wasn't for this amazing DIY AC unit for MrCool, I'd still be spending my summers down at the gas station in the icebox. So take the heat out of summer and order your MrCool DIY AC unit from MrCoolDIY.com. Luckily, my MrCool DIY AC unit keeps my home perfectly chilled all summer long, and I can easily control it with my smartphone or the remote. The unit even has a follow me feature, which adjusts the temperature to wherever you are in the room, which keeps the old ball and chain happy. Oh, plus it makes it way tougher for the kiddos to mess with the thermostat. Rhonda! Get these little animals away from me. But I mean, if it's good enough for me and my family in the hot, sweaty, sultry, hateful Arizona summer, it'll be good enough for you, human. Here's the dealio. I'm very picky about what I spend my money on. I want top quality AC and a fair price. I found both at MrCoolDIY.com. At first, I was skeptical because I thought, can I really do this myself? But the units worked perfectly for 2 years, which is basically 8 summers in Arizona. And the MrCool DIY system is totally ductless. That means no expensive ductwork and no messy installation. The MrCool DIY system comes totally sealed. That means no vacuuming, no gauges, nada. In Spanish for nada. It's ready to be installed. All you gotta do is mount, drill, and connect. As you well know, all Yetis are eco-friendly. Well, except for Bert. The quality components found in each MrCool DIY AC unit are optimized for high efficiency and low energy consumption. It's way better than how I used to cool off.
Oh, yeah, that's the spot.
Greg!
What? Plus, it's super quiet, unlike my Yeti human offspring.
Keep it down!
The DIY AC unit from MrCool is also amazing because it is genuinely do-it-yourself. It only took me a few hours to install it.
That's because I put it in.
Jeez, you frightened me. I gotta put a bell on this one. But don't take my word for it. Check out these reviews at MrCoolDIY.com. Worked as advertised, easy install, keeps the room warm during the winter and cool during the summer. Edward O. Straight bourbon. Very impressed with the ease of installation and efficiency and reliability of this product by VW123. So go get a MrCool DIY AC unit and heat pump combo at MrCoolDIY.com. Just pick the right size unit you want for the space you want to cool, and it'll arrive on your doorstep in 2 boxes within a week. Whoa. Getting day drunk, you're about to see a naked Yeti. And the coolest part is, you can stick the unit anywhere, not just in the bedroom. Like in your home gym. Attaboy. Or your garage. Ayo. Or a she shed. Tell you what, click the link below and you can see what's inside Rhonda's she shed. I only got a glimpse myself, but man, oh man. But don't worry, every MrCool DIY AC unit comes with a 30-day 100% satisfaction guarantee and a 7-year parts warranty, don't you know? So beat the heat and order yours today. And tell them Greg sent you. But don't, they don't know who I am. Yet. Porque Maria? Huh? Huh?
What?